Hey everyone, Misty here with the Best Creations by Gleespen Designs. Today I have 3 new Dollar Tree Farmhouse DIY decor items for you. I'm going to start off by taking one of the wood Dollar Tree pumpkins, removing the glitter, and then painting it with my chalk paint in the color sheepskin. Now I'm just taking some of the burnt umber and I am dry brushing that right onto the front of the pumpkin. I absolutely love dry brushing on all of my DIYs. Well, not all of them, but a lot of them, because I just feel like it gives it so much more. Now taking that same apple barrel burnt umber colored paint, I am going to just take some lines and give that pumpkin some dimension. I used my Cricut to cut out the words "Hello Pumpkin," of course, and I placed that right onto the front of the pumpkin. Now I'm just taking my hot glue gun and I made a simple burlap bow, and I'm going to place that on the front of the stem. If you like it simple, you could definitely leave it as is, but I always add a little bit of extras to my home decor. So I took a pine cone from my backyard, and I mean, Dollar Tree does carry them, but I, of course, will definitely take the cheaper route. So I also grabbed some berries off of a Dollar Tree pick, and I placed those next to the pine cone. That is literally all you have to do. I get so many compliments on my little Hello Pumpkin sign, especially when it's on my tiered tray. Absolutely love it, and it's so easy to make. DIY number 2 are these charming little acorns. At Dollar Tree, you can get these Easter eggs on a stick, and they come 10 in a pack. So for only $1, you can get 10 acorns. So I painted mine in the white chalk paint, and then I removed the stick and took a piece of jute twine and put a little bit of hot glue down in the hole and pushed that jute twine down in there. Now I'm just taking the twine and wrapping it at least a quarter of the way down the egg to give it more of that acorn look. Then, of course, like always, I go in with my burnt umber and I dry brush that onto the acorn. And that's it, y'all. That is all you have to do for this adorable DIY. DIY number 3 is this stunning lantern. Take 2 of these Dollar Tree signs, remove the football and paint them, as well as these 2 wood cutouts. You could use a ping pong ball or an eyeball and some paint stir sticks. I measured mine at about 10 inches. And then you're going to hot glue and wood glue on each end. Then create an X and hot glue that down in each center of each side. Now you're going to glue down the wood pieces biggest to smallest. After that, you will take your ball and glue that down on top as well. Then I used some strong hot glue to glue down my handle. I left one side partially open so it is easier to take things in and out. I literally love this, and I've had so many requests on this, guys, and I really hope you enjoy it. I will actually be doing a more in-depth tutorial, maybe even possibly a live. Oh, and don't forget, leave down in the comments which DIY is your favorite and you would like to be this month's giveaway prize. I will actually be doing giveaway videos a few times a month, but we'll stick with monthly for now. Any of the DIYs on my video or my channels can be the monthly prize, so don't forget to leave that in the comments. Thank you all so much.